Welcome everybody and thank you for being with us today. Here you are, our brand new website enofrigoamerica.com. A simple and rich tool that will maintain you always updated and collect all information about Enofrigo different proposals. Now we are going to show you what you can find. That's the home page. Let's start to scroll down slowly. Here, besides the introduction, we briefly point out the company's main distinctive features. The gallery introduced the case history section, where we hope, with your help, to collect more histories and photos of significant installation. These are the first, but we hope to add more in the future. In the news section, you may get updated about our events, shows, or virtual meetings. In home page, you can also find our quality certifications, the quick contact form, and all of our contact details. Company page tells briefly about our history starting from foundation and the scope of our mission. This is the national map with your details and references to get in contact with you. Then we go on with surfing the pages dedicated to wine cabinets lines. Wine Library, Miami, Enogalax, and IM. If you click here, you can get inside the specific page. Here we have a special section dedicated to ideal serving temperatures for each type of wine. It is possible to download the catalog and then there is another special section, Tips, where we collect some general information about wine preservation and wine cabinet usage and choice. A general description about optimal wine serving temperatures, aging wine, other related parameters as lights, humidity, bottle position, vibration. And general tips how to choose a wine cabinet according to budget, wine range, and the best location. Now we take a closer look at the single product pages. We are on IM page. Here the different model of the range. With the line specific pluses, main features. A very important point is the energy saving these wine cabinets allow. All indication about dimensions and capacity of the different models, colors. IM is available in two different depths, 30 inches and 22 inches, and IM dual band. To explain clearly the total independence of the two zones, we include different examples. How you can select the desired temperatures. Then there are a few drawings and description explaining the inside layout available. A summary of the technical features of this innovative line and the technical drawings. In the details section, some main features of this wine cabinet. Of course, for any product page, it is possible to download the PDF catalog. The case history is going to be the gallery of our most significant installation. Clicking on the single image, you can get inside the corresponding line.